Yo, greetings. This is Kilo Foxtrot Zero, Quebec, November Mike, Justin the radio line. We got shipped a package today from the Ham Radio Duo store. And before we get going on this, I just want to say thank you guys for sending me this cute little box. $50 online, and we're going to go open this up, take a look at all the parts, and yeah, my dog is eating. Aren't you, Liza? Okay, so here we go. We got all the pieces necessary to put this cute little QRP radio together. This is a 20 meter radio. You can get it for $50 from the Ham Radio Duo store. And it comes with all these pieces that you see here. Now, if you guys want to see a video of all of the stuff being put together, I highly recommend checking out the Ham Radio Duo. There's a little QR code up there, or you can actually just go to their channel, youtube.com/hamradioduo. And they offer this nice little quick start guide here. It says, thank you for your purchase of the Pebble HF. We hope you enjoy building it and getting on the air with it. Please scan the QR code or visit the URL. It contains the instructions you need to build your kit. If you have any questions, email us at mike@hamradioduo.com or join our Discord. We'd be happy to help. So that might actually be something I want to do, is go join their Discord. So I'm going to get started on this project, but before I do, I'm going to identify each of these pieces for you guys. We have the 3D printed case, very nicely done, very beautiful. Got your screen, you got the main circuit board right here, you got 3 transistors, and you got a couple miniature toroids, then you got a roll of magnet wire here. Now, they initially said to wind one of those toroids with the 10 turns, but in the updated instructions, they're saying to do 9 turns for the primary and second for the secondary. So that's, we're going to have to change. You know, a little resistor here, barrel jack connector, a little microphone, BNC jack adapter. This is your PTT as well as your CW key. And you got your potentiometer, and you got this nice little 3D printed knob to put on that potentiometer. And these are your additional buttons, and this little connector here is going to bridge the screen with the circuit board. So we're going to be very patient in putting this together. Mind your safety, folks. Make sure there's nothing flammable around you. Stay in a well-ventilated area when you're working with soldering kits. And above all, make sure you have something that can help you see, protect your eyes, and have good light sources. You want to be very patient with this. This is a project that you want to have fun with. Don't rush it. Remember, this is amateur radio, not professional radio. So here goes nothing. All right. I have done the absolute best that I could to complete this. I'm an absolute noob at soldering. You guys can probably look at those joints. They're a little meh, but as far as I'm able to take care of them, at least I haven't come across any like bridges or crosses or anything like that. And so far this thing looks pretty cool. Feels really solid right now. Put the 2 toroids together in the back there. The left toroid, I only did 9 turns as suggested by the instructions, not the 10 that they originally done. And then there's 7 on the other side. I'm hoping this is going to work. Now, I don't have a proper dummy load. I thought I had one and it's missing. So what I'm going to do is kind of a little fix is I'm taking the load adapter from my Nano VNA and I'm putting it on the end of the BNC connector. So I'll use that to attach to the end of this. And I'm going to pause the video just so I can attach it. Okay, so what I've done is I've plugged this into an Anchor battery pack with a USB-C port, not using the barrel plug connector. And I think I need to adjust the contrast, which to do that, there's a little screw on the back of this device, which is like right there beneath the toroid. And I believe that's how you adjust it. All right, and with adjusting that screw on the back, I used a 1.5 millimeter flathead screwdriver. I couldn't get the Phillips to work, but I managed to get the screen to work. She's up, she's running, she's got numbers. That's awesome. Again, I don't have a proper dummy load there, so I decided to use the one from the Nano VNA. Hopefully that's good enough. As long as you don't hit that PTT button, you should be okay without an antenna. But I'm just doing that for precautionary measures. So this looks good. Let's screw this in the box and see how it looks. Oh, before we take this out in the field, there is just one more thing I have to do. Yeah. Well, I screwed up. After I got done assembling this cute little Pebble radio, I just got it finished, brought it all the way out here, set up an antenna, only to find out that I need something to plug into the headphone jack or I can't hear a thing. So instead, I will do this video some other time when I have some free time, and I will just activate this park instead. I'll activate offline because it's actually really warm out here, but I do apologize. I am going to do my best to get some more videos out there. And thanks so much, 7-3.
A few moments later.
That was a fun time. And while I didn't get to use my little HF Pebble yet, I still wanted to activate this park because I wasn't going to drive all the way out here and then do anything. So it was about a couple hours. And since I started activating the park when the day was rolling over, I had enough contacts from the previous day to activate. And then I stuck around after, 0 UTC, and I had enough contacts to activate the park again. So I thought that was pretty cool. The tree bumped my GMRS antenna on the top of the car. So I'm going to be heading back home, and it's about a half an hour drive. It's been pretty warm today, but a fun day nonetheless. And the lesson I can take here is you're gonna forget stuff, you're gonna make a mistake, you're gonna screw up. Who cares? Just go out there and have fun. But I promise you, the next chance I get, I will bring that Pebble out there and I will do a Parks in the Air activation at some time in the future. So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Wonderful day. I'm not going to call this a failure by any means. I think it was awesome. 55 contacts, by the way. 55 total contacts, including a couple of redos. So if the day rolls over from one day to the next day, the person is welcome to get in contact with me again on the same frequency because that counts as a new day. So absolutely nothing wrong with that. Anyway, guys, this is the radio line. Kilo Foxtrot 0 back in November. Mike, you have yourself a great day. And 7-3.